Good morning, friends. Now that you have completed 4 parts in changing affirmative sentences into negative, let us move on to the 5th part. In the 5th part, we are going to add not after the verbs I have given. There are 9 verbs: shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, and must. These are followed by the present tense verb. It is very easy to change these verbs into negative. As you did in the 3rd and 4th parts, you have to add not after these 9 verbs. Look at the examples. The first sentence is, we shall come again. There are 2 verbs in this sentence, shall and come. Just add not after shall and the sentence becomes negative. We shall come again becomes negative as we shall not come again. In the next example, he would work hard. The verb consists of 2 words, would and work. Add not after would and the sentence becomes negative. He would work hard becomes he would not work hard. In the 3rd sentence, I can walk fast, there are 2 verbs, can and walk. Just add not after can and the sentence becomes negative. I can walk fast becomes I cannot walk fast. Now, what you have to remember most is that the word cannot is written as one word. We will move on to the last part, that is changing the main verbs into negative. What are the main verbs? The main verbs are those which are in the simple present and the simple past tense. Look at the examples I have given for the main verbs. There are 3 verbs, go, goes, went. Here, go and goes are in the simple present tense and went is in the simple past tense. Now, let us see how we can change these main verbs into negative. I have given 3 verbs, go, goes, went. Take the first verb, go. How do you change it into negative? The first thing is, you must split the word go as do plus go and then add not after do. Thus, the negative of go is do not go. Come to the next verb, goes. Goes is split as does plus go. Add not after does. Then the negative is does not go. Come to the simple past tense, went. Went is split as did plus go. You can add not after did and the negative is did not go. Now look at the three sentences. The first sentence is they walk fast. The verb in this sentence is walk. Walk is a simple present tense verb. Split it as do plus walk. Then add not after do. So what is the negative of walk? It is do not walk. Now change the sentence into negative. They walk fast becomes they do not walk fast. Take the second sentence. The verb here is studies. Studies is also a simple present tense verb. It is split as does plus study. Now you can add not after does and the negative is does not study. Thus, the sentence Ravi studies well becomes Ravi does not study well. Come to the third example. Here, the verb played is in the simple past tense. Played is split as did plus play. You can add not after did and the negative is did not play. The sentence all played today becomes all did not play today. Go through the examples again. The sentence they walk fast becomes negative as they do not walk fast. Ravi studies well becomes negative as Ravi does not study well. All played today becomes negative as all did not play. Take care of the last part, changing the main verbs into negative. You have to change these main verbs into negative by using do, does and did. I hope you have now understood how to change affirmative sentences into negative. An exercise has been given for you. Do the exercise so that you can verify whether you have understood the rules given so far. Kindly subscribe to my channel.